Hi all. So I got this Makeup Revolution cheek kit. Any color cosmetics lover like me would find this palette very attractive. Actually, I was looking for more than one option in a single place, and it has 4 options in a single palette. So I picked it up, and today I'll open this pack and review live for you. Makeup Revolution London Cheek Kit. Net weight is 2.2 gram each, that is 8.8 gram in total. Price is rupees 800, but you may get it in lesser price also. Please look into the leading sites time to time. Now this Makeup Revolution Cheek Kit is basically bronzer and highlighter kit. One compact 4-pan palette. This cheek kit is available in 4 variants. Don't hold back, fresh perspective, make it count and take a breather. The packaging is beautiful and very attractive. Now let's see how beautiful the shades and the pigments are. Before going ahead, please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon with option all to get notifications for all new videos. Please like, comment and share the video. I picked up the shade Fresh Perspective. The box is sealed with a small transparent tape. Let's open it. I have used a few products from this brand and just loved it. The product offers vegan and cruelty-free range of products. It doesn't contain any animal-derived ingredients, approved by PETA as animal test-free. The first impression is just wow. It has almost all types of shades. Have a closer look. The first shade is what I can say is golden brown. Each highly pigmented shimmer shade bears a silky texture that glides seamlessly onto the skin, and a two-toned marbled effect designed to add multi-dimensional radiance. Second shade is in pure gold. I will give you a closer view. Please stay with me. Third one is not as shiny as compared to last 2 shades. Shade is kind of rose gold. Fourth and the last one is golden pink. Now you can see the shades clearly. First one is golden brown. Next is pure golden. Third is rose gold. And the last one is beautiful golden pink. I can say the pigments are quite good. You can use it for eyes also. Apply weight to create an intense foil-like finish. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll definitely include this to create my next look. Please take care. See you soon.